What's in the box?
Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Weston back again. Today we're going to be unboxing the Adidas Hue NMD in collaboration with Human Made. This shoe takes a departure from the typography characteristics that have been featured in the past in exchange for the Human Made heart logos closer to the toe of the prime knit upper, which sits upon a boost midsole completed by a rugged trail-inspired outsole that we've seen in Pharrell's past iterations of this shoe. For those of you who may not know who NIGO is a longtime friend and collaborator of Pharrell Williams, the creator of the Hue NMD. Their friendship goes all the way back to the early 2000s, and NIGO even helped Pharrell build his own streetwear brands, Billionaire Boys Club and Ice Cream. As a huge fan of Pharrell, it's kind of hard not to be a fan of NIGO as well, especially when the influence of Pharrell's brands Billionaire Boys Club and Ice Cream helped influence my personal brand Pixel Apparel. So, needless to say, this was an easy decision for me to pick these up. Without further ado, let's see what they look like on foot. So, funny story, I actually wound up buying 2 pairs of these because I was moving too fast in the checkout process and I didn't notice that the shoe sizes were in UK sizes, which is about a size to a size and a half up from the US sizes. So I ordered a 10 UK thinking that it was a 10 US, and it wound up being a size 11 US, and I had to return that one. But luckily, this shoe didn't sell out as fast as I anticipated, so I was able to get my 9.5 size in US. So there you have it. That's my unboxing and review on the Adidas Hue NMD collaboration with Human Made. Personally, I really like the shoe and I'm very happy to add shoe to my collection from 2 of my favorite collaborators. If you know your stuff about Pharrell and NIGO, who do you think had more influence, Pharrell or NIGO? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the alert button, all that good stuff so you can never miss a video. And as always, until next time, peace.